Hi, I'm Jack from Crewe Volkswagen and I'm going to show you around this approved used Volkswagen. This is the T-Roc Black Edition, finished in a lovely white, silver metallic paintwork. It features the 1.5 TSI petrol engine producing 150 PS with a 6-speed manual gearbox as well. It also benefits from a full Volkswagen service history, including a recent oil change and brake fluid change from ourselves to ensure total peace of mind motoring. So for the front of the car, you've got adaptive cruise control, perfect for those motorway journeys, alongside full LED headlights providing fantastic vision in all conditions. On the side of the car, you've got yourself the 18-inch Arlo black alloy wheels that finish off the exterior perfectly, with your gloss black mirror housings which are also power folding and heated, with privacy guards from the B pillar backwards as well. A generous amount of boot space available as well, with the adjustable boot floor currently in its lowest setting, with split folding seats and also a low through hatch for any longer items, so plenty of room there for multiple large suitcases or any further luggage. Moving on to the interior, you've got lovely pattern cloth seats with a contrasting white stitching, the centre armrest there with a couple of cup holders and also a couple of USB ports in the back for your rear passengers. In the front of the vehicle, you benefit from a leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel and also an adjustable centre armrest to keep you nice and comfortable on the road at all times. Moving on to the infotainment screen, alongside digital radio and multiple media functions such as your Bluetooth, you'll also benefit from the brilliant App-Connect system giving you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing you to mirror apps from your smartphone directly onto the screen, such as Google Maps, Waze, Spotify and many more. You'll have peace of mind while parking as well, with front and rear parking sensors fitted to the standard. And a little bit further down the cabin, you've got dual zone climate control, which is nice and easy to adjust, with a little bit of storage just below there as well, and a couple more USB ports so you can charge multiple devices on the move. This vehicle comes with 2 years warranty, 2 year roadside assistance, as well as much more. If you need any more information, please call us on 01270 864 452 or inquire online now.